Hello, my name is Christine and welcome to Christine's Place. So today I have pettreater. Now this is the second month that I've gotten pettreater, and I do get it for my dogs because I have more dogs than I do cats. So I thought they would really enjoy this. Now it's $15 a month just for the regular bag. If you have, you can also get the multiple dog pack, which is, it's called the deluxe dog pack, and it's $25. Now you can also do need treats only or need toys only. So you can either do the treats or the toys, and that is $18 a month. So I have the $15 a month bag just for my dogs. So I have my handy dandy scissors. So let's break into this. Last month, everybody loved everything. So let's see what we got. First thing I'm pulling out is a mystery. What is this? It's a Gourmet Dog Cookie. It is from Handmade with Love, Gourmet Dog Cookie. It even has an expiration date by pettreater. Now the last one I got, I tried to split between everybody, and it was so hard that it was hard to break into pieces. All right, let's see what this one is. This looks like, this is what it looks like. And it's a yogurt iced honey oat dog biscuits, and it's from Woofables. So let's see what this one looks like. Last time it was like an ice cream cone. Oh, I'm sorry about the noise. It's a carrot. Probably for fall, so they will probably enjoy that. Here's what the back looks like. Oh, actually it smells really good. It does smell like oats. So we have that. Oh. And then we have a bug repellent, long-lasting protection from mosquitoes. See how that's spelled? Okay. Oh, I have one person. Oh, I have two dogs that are interested. So it's just a toy. Bug repellent dog toy for dogs. Toss and fetch. We care about the safety of your pet. Warning, remove all plastic tags, blah de blah. So, oh, all right. Oh, are you liking that? Hold on, let's see if we can get him in. Where are you, Peanut? We can't see anybody. There's Peanutty. Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry about the camera. Oh! One of my things just broke off. All right, stand by. Technical difficulties. Okay, so they are enjoying the new toy. Another thing that I got out of there was Cuddle Clones. And it's custom pet products to celebrate your pet. So it looks like they have blankets, socks, pajamas, a head cover. And I don't know if it's also a picture, but it looks like they make things from a picture of your pet. So that sounds pretty cool. And yes, pettreater is their 20% off code. Have at it. What else is in here? We have Meaty Morsels from Vitacraft. Extra meaty, gentle, oven roasted, soft and tasty chicken recipe with pork sausage. So these are nice little treats. I'm sure they will enjoy that. Oh, they came running. I said that word. The T word. Treats. And I believe, like always, you get a little bandana for everybody. It says pettreater on it. We've got some fall camping action going on here. That looks cute. And last but not least, be our next pick of the litter. Yes, you can take pictures of your pets and you submit them to pettreater and hope to be the next pick of the litter. And this is their pick of the litter for this month. Who is it? Ariel. Looks like a nice... Oh, and they have the toy in front that I received last month, which was this one. That lasted about 2 days. I start out with the little dogs. I give them the new toy. And then when they get bored, I give it to the big dogs. And then they tear it to pieces. Is there anything else in here? Nope, that looks like it. So I got a gourmet cookie, which I have to break into pieces because I have more than one dog. We have the Meaty Morsels. We have the bandana. We have 20% off custom pet products. And we have the bottle of paw pellet. Little stuffed toy that they are playing with right now. Well, I am so glad you came by to watch. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.